Hello and welcome to the Bible Flicks. This is Zuzu and today I'm going to read Let's Talk About Vehicles by Britta, Teckentrum. Let's get moving. We float on the water, we roll on wheels, we fly in the air, we skim over ice and snow. How do you like to travel? Time to play. Bicycles have 2 wheels. Tricycles have 3 wheels. Go-karts have 4 wheels. Roller skates have lots of wheels. Pogo sticks bounce. Have you ever been on a scooter or a skateboard? Out and about. Here comes the school bus. The garbage truck collects the trash. This SUV takes a family shopping. This van delivers groceries. How do you get around your neighborhood? In the city. Look at the speedy moped. Did you ever ride on a crowded city bus? Hold up your hand to hail a taxi cab. Some people travel to work in their car. Some people travel to work on the subway. The stations are underground. On the highway. Have you spotted any of these? Tank truck, car carrier, beep, tractor trailer, a motorcycle, beep, tour bus, camping trailer, beep, 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 and recreational vehicle. Emergency. Uh-oh, there's been an accident. Who has come to the rescue? Help! There's a fire. Who has come to put it out? Construction site. The crane lifts girders way up high. This cement mixer mixes the cement. The dump truck takes away the rocks and rubble. What do you think is being built here? Riding the rails. Some trains carry people. Some trains carry freight. Did you ever ride on a train? Some trains are super fast. On the farm, the tractor plows the fields. The combine harvester gathers the grain. The tanker truck takes the milk to town. Look in your fridge and talk about which foods came from a farm. Speed demons. Speedboats race across the water. Racing cars speed around the track. Motorbikes zoom around corners and jet planes zoom through the sky. Which vehicle do you think is the fastest? Mountain high. A chairlift carrier skyers. Cable railway cars go up and down the mountain. Suspended cable cars cross deep valleys. Hang gliders float off the mountainside. Have you ever been on a mountain bike? Wonderful water. There are all sorts of ways to travel on the water. You can cruise on a paddle steamer. You can row a boat or paddle a canoe. You can float in a rubber tube or ride the rapids in a rubber raft. Which would you choose? All at sea. Have you ever been way out at sea? Ocean liners are like big hotels on water. Submarines go under the water. Fishing boats work very hard. Snowy places. Snow plows clear the roads. Snowmobiles don't need a road. Icebreakers keep the lake free of ice. Did you ever whiz down a hill on a sled? Flying high. Gliders have no engines, and jumbo jets take lots of passengers all over the world. Hot air balloons go where the wind takes them. Ultralight aircraft can carry one person. Have you ever flown? To the moon and beyond. There are lots of vehicles in space. The lunar, the module landed the first man on the moon. Satellites send messages back to Earth. The space shuttle brings its astronauts to the space station. Space probes study deep space. They do not carry people. What would you like to travel in space? Would you like to travel in space? The end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like our Bible Flicks story. If you like our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.